Do you feel the vibes? So coders, in this video we are going to do a quick recap what we have learned in our previous videos. So let's start. Now the topic which we have covered are font tag, heading tag, background color and list. So firstly starting with the font tag. To change font face, size, color of your text, you need to apply font tag, whose syntax is opening tag, font, then closing tag, and it has three attributes. So now let me give you an example so that you are going to understand it very well. Now let me on do font tag. Okay, font we have written, and now I'm writing something. This is my YouTube channel. Okay, now closing font tag. So this is how we use font tag. In main thing, that it main things are its attribute. It is having mainly three attribute: face, size and color. Okay, in font face we write the face what we want of our text. I am writing Arial. Okay, and then a font size. Okay, size, you can just choose size according to your, okay, you need not to close the tag. Size, you can choose size as per your recommendation. I am choosing it, let us choose it 28. Now, and then last attribute is color. Okay, in computer the spelling of color is color, not color. I have told you before also about this. Okay, color, and the color we are taking, let's take it blue color. Okay, now it has been closed. So we have done with font tag, and now let us take a preview of what we have made. So guys, as you can see, this is my YouTube channel. The size has increased, the face, you can say font face, and size is increased, and color is also changed. Next topic, that's background color. So the question is how to apply background color to our website. So it's pretty easy. So whatever you need to do is, you just need to write an attribute in your body tag that is bg color. So let me write the attribute of bg color, that is bg color, bgcolo. I have told you earlier also that color, spelling of color is not color, it's color, it's color. So I am giving the color red. I think it will be good. So now let us preview that how it looks. It is actually one of the easiest thing in HTML. Applying BG color is one of the background color is one of the easiest thing in HTML. So I think you will not be facing any problem in this. So now let us preview it. How does it looks? So as you can see, we have applied a red color to a background, and it is looking not pretty good, but it's okay. I think we should give the color green. Green will not be okay. We will be giving yellow. It will looking nice. It will look nice, I think. Actually my color combination is not too good. My color combination sense is not too good. So now, without any further delay, moving ahead to our next topic, that is um, heading tag. So heading tag is used to give heading, subheading or main heading to whatever your paragraph or anything what you have been writing. So heading tag is also a pretty easy syntax. So to use this, you just need to write the syntax: opening tag h1 and then closing tag. Okay, I'm writing. See, as you can see, like this, you need to write h1 tag and then whatever you need to write. Okay, this is my web page. I think I should write educational hacks. Educational hacks. Okay, and now then again closing h1 tag. So now let us preview how it looks. So as you can see, educational hacks has become a heading in bold letters. It is having bold letters, so that you can notice this also. And now we are decreasing the number of h1 tag. Okay, so now as the number increases in heading tag, the size of the heading decreases. Now let me show you how it works. So let me copy educational X, it will be easier for us. Okay, I have copied this and now I am pasting it. So as you can see, I have pasted and then closing h2 tag. As you can now as you can see, h1 tag is the biggest, h2 tag is a little bit more smaller in size. And now I am just copying this up to h6 tag so that it becomes easy for us and it will take lesser time copying it. And now paste, again paste, again paste and paste one time more. Okay guys, so I have pasted and now we will be increasing number of digits. h3 tag, here also h3 tag, now h4 tag, 4 tag, here also h4 tag close, h5 tag, h5 tag close, and then h6 tag, this is the last, and then h6 tag close. I have written everything and now let us preview it how does it looks. Okay, now let me remove the space which has been occurred without our permission. Okay, so let us preview it how does it look. So guys, as you can see, it is looking pretty nice. Education like biggest, smaller, smaller, more smaller, and the smallest. It is h6 tag, h5 tag, h4, h3, h2, and h1. Now we have done with our three topics and we are left behind with our main topic of today's video. I think main topic or what we have studied in our last video, that is a list tag. So list tag is very important from the aspect of HTML website, because lists are used frequently used not frequently, but they are used more times by creating a website. So let us discuss about list tags. So now coders, it is time to learn list tag. How to use list tag. So creating list in HTML. As I have told you that there are three types of list in HTML, mainly unordered list, ordered list, and definition list. The list tag start with a li tag for ordered li tag, and we use the syntax for unordered list, ul tag for ordered list, ol tag, and for definition list many more tags that I will be telling you in further videos. So let us start with the unordered list. So let me start the list with the ul because it's an ordered list. So after applying ul, in the next line we will be applying li. For every new point we will applying li tag. So li, here I'm writing hi, again not hi, I'm writing a point. Let us me write, I'll make a list of computer. Okay, computer, then again li tag, again li tag, then keyboard, and then again using the li tag, then mouse, then again li tag, and what else we have left behind with the CPU, central processing unit, CPU. Okay guys, so let us preview it as how it looks. And now closing the ul tag. Okay, if you're not closing li tag, it is not much matters, so you can just left it and close also. So closing the ul tag. So as you can see, computer, keyboard, mouse, CPU has been appeared in a list, that is the unordered list. So unordered list also has some keyword, not keyboard but attribute. It has attribute of type. One of its attribute is type type. Okay, and it has we can write the type like we have seen there were bullets type, and we can write a square also. So after writing square we can see the circle or the bullets type list was converted into the a square type list. So now let us discuss about the ordered list. So guys, for ordered list we use the tag ol and again li tag. Now let me copy it so that it is not so difficult for us to so that we can save the time. Here it is pretty difficult to copy this text, I think. Yes, now copy it and now paste this. Okay guys, I have copy pasted and now I'm going to close the okay CPU, oh sorry, CPU. Now I'm going to close the ul tag, sorry, ol tag. Okay, so ol tag also has the same attribute, that is a type. Oh, now let us see what is the default type. So as you can see, the default type is a numerical, Hindi Arabic numerical value, that is 123, computer keyboard mouse CPU, and we can change it with the Roman numbers, alphabets. Now let me show you how to we can change type. Okay, type. Um, we can change it with the Roman number. Writing this big I, capital I, can be changed to Roman number, as you can see. Oh, it has not been changed. I think I have done a mistake. We have not space. Okay, we have done space. Now let us see how does it looks. So as you can see, it has been appeared in Roman, as only you can write a small a, big A. Okay, a small Roman numbers, like if I am writing I, then it is going to come in these small Roman numbers, as you can see. And now if I am going to write a small a, yeah, okay, small a, then it will be coming in small letters. So this is how we can use the ordered list orders. Now we are going to discuss about definition list. The definition list is the ideal way to present a glossary list of terms and the definition in HTML. Okay, the DL, we use the DL tag to open the or to start the definition list, and the term whose definition we are going to write, we use tt tag for that term, and for that definition we use tt tag. So now let me show you. Firstly, we are going to add dl tag, and that is must for using the using definition list, and then we are using dt tag. Okay, for the term what we are going to, whose definition we are going to give. So I'm going to give it a definition of HTML. Let us say I'm going to give a definition of HTML. Okay, and we use dd tag to give its definition. Okay, now let me write HTML stands for hyper text markup and language. Okay, it stands for hypertext markup language. And then this is my first term, that is dt HTML, and I'm now for my second term also I'm going to again write dt tag. Okay, now what should I, this is a second term. Okay, this is a second term, and we use dt tag, okay, to write the definition. I write the definition second term. Okay, so now I have this, and now closing the DL tag. Okay, and now we use DL tag to open the definition list, and then DT tag to whose term to write the term whose definition we are going to write, and DT tag to write that term's definition. Now let us preview. So guys, as you can see, HTML is the term, and HTML stands for hypertext markup is the definition, and then second term we are going to write here, and then definition of second term. As you can see, we have done the quick recap of what we have learned